Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention one criminal appeal for listing.
Yes,
Lordship.
louder.
Lordship, I beg to mention one criminal appeal for listing, Lordship.
Or
Listing, Lordship.
for listing for what purpose?
For orders, Lordship. LCR not received on last occasion, 3/5 it was last listed, and there is an order to list after 3 weeks, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, item number 16.
Yeah.
Lordship, I am praying for adjournment of this matter for 2 weeks, Lordship. Lordship.
Mr. M.I. Hussain, learned counsel for the appellant, has prayed for adjourning the appeal for 2 weeks. Ms. B. Bhuyan, as senior counsel and additional public prosecutor for the respondent. State is present. Yes, what is the offense?
My lord,
Service complete? No, it's into complete.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I am praying for adjournment of item number 19, Lordship.
19.
19, Lordship.
Yes, why?
Lordship, the learned counsel is out of station, Lordship. It may be taken up on 7th, Lordship, or maybe on next week.
Who is
As Das, Lordship.
as does?
As Das, Lordship.
You are Mr.
K. Das, Lordship.
K. Das. Your name is there?
Yes, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. K. Das, learned counsel for the, no, Mr. K. Das, learned counsel has submitted that the arguing counsel, Mr. S. Das, Ms. B. Bhuyan.
Kedas.
Okay, K. Das. Learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent state. Who is in attendance, has no objection to the above prayer. The prayer is allowed, leaves the case appeal after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the office.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I need some accommodation in item number 10 and 20.
Okay, you are Mr.
PJ Bora.
Okay,
The
on the
learned-
ground that Mr. B. Prasad, learned amicus curiae, is having family, and a prayer for adjournment is made. PJ Bora, learned counsel. Full stop. Having regard to the ground cited, Mr. K. K. Das, learned additional public prosecutor, has no objection. The case stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Same in item
10 and 20.
20.
Obliged, Lordship.
This appeal is against the judgment and order passed by the learned court of session judge convicting the, yes, ma'am,
302.
302, lifetime imprisonment.
Heard Mr. S. Vishwas, learned legal counsel for the accused appellant. Yeah, learned senior counsel and additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1, state of Assam. Full stop. Under section 374(2) Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is preferred against a judgment and order dated
11/8/2023.
11/8/2023. Passed by the learned sessions judge, Bakside Musalpur, in sessions case number 189/2022. By the judgment and order dated 11/2023, the accused appellant has been convicted for the offense of murder under section 302 IPC, and he has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life and to pay a fine of rupees 2,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo simple imprisonment for another 2 months. Full stop. The appeal is admitted for hearing. The case records of sessions case number 189/2020 to be called for. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks as MS Puya, Granite Edition Public Prosecutor. Accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, State of Assam. Issuance of formal notice stands dispatched. The Learned Counsel for the Learned Legal Aid Council. Extra copy not required.
Actually, I'm handicapped, no copy.
Okay. The Learned Legal Aid Council for the appellant shall furnish a copy of the memo of appeal along with annexure to MS Puya within 3 working days from today. The accused appellant shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with ID as well as by usual process within 3 working days from today. Yes,
Well, in the interlocutory application, well, I'm praying for suspension of sentence.
the prayer for consideration. The interlocutory application for suspension of execution of the sentence and will be considered on receipt of the records of from the trial court.
Lordship, I have no IA. I have not received it. Copy of the IA as well as appeal, my lord.
Part MS Mr. S. Vishwas, Learned Counsel for the applicant appellant, and MS B. Bhuiya, Learned Senior Counsel and Additional Public Prosecutor for the opposite party number 1, State of Assam. This is an application under an instant interlocutory application is filed under section 389, Code of Criminal Procedure, seeking suspension of the execution of sentence and for release of the applicant appellant on bail. Full stop. The applicant has an for the connected appeal against the judgment and order dated so and so. By the judgment and order dated so and so, applicant appellant has been so and so. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As MSP, Learned Public Prosecutor, has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the opposite party number 1, State of Assam. Issuance of formal notice stands dispensed with. Learned Legal Aid Counsel for the applicant appellant shall, however, furnish a copy of the interlocutory application to MS Bhuiya within 3 working days from today. The Learned Legal Aid Counsel shall take steps for service of notice upon the opposite party number 2 by registered post with AD as well as by usual process within 3 working days from today. The prayer for suspension of sentence will be given consideration after receipt of the learned records from the learned trial.
My junior will accept notice, my lord.
Okay.
Ardas.
Arda, so and so, assisted by MS Ardas. So it would be
For orders, item number 2.
upon MS Das Learned Counsel assisting MS Bhuiya.
Lordship, kindly pass over for the time being. My senior is on legs in court number 3.
Item number
2.
2. Okay. Who is your senior?
MK Bora.
Victim service.
Item three.
May I please, Your Honor? My lord, in this case, my lord, my lord, possibly, my lord, in this case, applicant has expired, my lord. My lord, 1 week time may be granted for confirmation, my lord.
May I please, Your Honor? Your Honor, in this case, I have taken step, but no unserved notice was returned back, Lordship.
Oh, sorry.
Service report. You are, I guess, legally competent.
Yes, Lordship.
Legally competent.
Yes, Lordship. I have taken fresh step, Lordship.
No, you put it before the Lojima court to hard MS. Here we go.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned legal counsel. For the appellant NMS BVL learned senior counsel, additional public prosecutor. For the aspirant number 1, comma state of Assam is sorry, assisted by MS Ardas, learned counsel for the aspirant number 1, comma state of Assam. As per office notes, dated 2/3/2024. Comma.
Sure.
It has been issued to respond number 2 by registered post PKD on 2/3/2024. Post of. Let the case be placed before the Lojima court to ascertain the notice sent by registered post with heading and to submit a report accordingly. It is that is after 2 weeks. You have collected the paper book.
Yes, Lordship.
Item five.
Here, Lordship.
Seven. Yes, offense 302.
302, Lordship.
A. Who is the Michael? Idhar. Paperwork learned. Okay, learn it amicus curie for the appellant is found absent today. All call. MS Andras, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent state is in attendance. As the paper book is ready, comma, obviously is that is appeal for hearing in due course. 302.
Item number 8.
May I please, Your Lordship? The paper book has been received. You are ready for hearing, Your Lordship. 302.
Addressee not found. Respond number 2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Offense.
302, Your Lordship.
Addressee not found. What to do, Ms. Das? Yes, sir. যেহেতু আগতো দেখো নাই I mean, good officer in charge. I think. Heard
Mrs. Katodin,
MSS
counsel.
Katonia,
Legal aid counsel.
Learning Legal Aid Council. For the appellant. NMS and Das Learned Additional Public Prosecutor for the respondent number 1, State of Assam. Full stop. And there.
Isn't not
Notice put here, second.
Oh,
Okay, already.
otherwise there you go.
Yes, so ma'am.
Is not found. It is to,
Sense good.
supply could you? We have, in the office note dated 2/6/2023, it is reported that answer notice has been received back. Answer notice sent to the respondent number 2 has been received back with postal endorsement from a quote unquote address not found. The office to furnish a copy of the notice to the at the office of the public prosecutor. So the office of the public prosecutor shall in turn facilitate service of notice upon the respondent number 2 to the officer in charge, Sonari Police Station. Post stop. Release the case after 3 weeks.
Item 9.
Lordship, I haven't received a paperwork yet.
Well, you have not collected.
I have not intimated.
Huh? Have you collected?
No, Lordship, I haven't intimated.
Official says Learned Amicus has not collected the paper. Heard. MS Tibego,
Tibego.
Learned Amicus. Jury order. NMS and us. Learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1, respondent State of Assam. Get this for you by you. As the paperwork is MS Begum, Learned Amicus Curiae has submitted that she would collect the paperwork from the office within a period of 1 week. Post stop. As the paperwork is ready, office to list the appeal for hearing in due course.
Right.
Number 11.
After 1.
Item 12.
May please, your lordship.
Yes.
Yes, paper book has been received, your lordship. Section under 448 and 302.
The appeal has been NPA. Jahan for 302, notice to issue by year. Third MS Katonier, learned legal counsel. Appearing for the appellant NMS and as learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent state. To stop as the paperwork is ready, command of police to list the appeal for hearing in the course.
Item 13.
May I please also, these appeal is already admitted for hearing. Today's list for the
Third MS and
R Begum.
R Begum, learned counsel for the appellant and MS and us, oh, B Bhuya, learned.
Lordship, some issue with service, my lord.
Yes, sure.
Unserved, service. When medical also,
And eyewitness account is consistent with medical.
there are two independent eyewitnesses. Two independent eyewitnesses.
Postmortem,
Postmortem, lordship.
how many? Injuries?
3 injuries, lordship.
3.
Yes, 54 is.
Grass injury to skull, occipital bone, multiple fracture, rib on chest, fracture of
Injury,
occipital
lordship.
bone, oozing of blood, mouth and nostril. Postmortem GT, sleep map, seizure list, source.
Mainly one hit blow on the head, lordship, back occipital region, lordship. It's iron
Iron
rod,
rod.
iron rod, lordship.
Old lady
Old lady, lordship.
of how many years?
Lordship.
Informer's mother,
Informant mother, lordship. She is it about 55 years?
55.
Yes.
The mother of the informant. And eyewitnesses are?
Lordship, one is son. And lordship, that is PW1. And one is son of the informant, that is PW4. And lordship PW5, he is an independent witness. And PW7, lordship, independent eyewitness.
Okay, we'll put it. Next question. Next question. Control. Monday, Monday, we go for a mistake.
Lordship, I place it tomorrow, is it? Tomorrow, lordship,
Tomorrow,
yes.
can you inform
Lordship,
all these I Chaudhary?
my number, I don't have.
The learned amicus, no, the learned counsel for the appellant is found absent today on call. Full stop. MS SH Bora, learned additional public prosecutor is in attendance. Full stop. In view of absence of the learned counsel for the appellant, release the appeal tomorrow.
Highly always.
So,